Hello everyone. Today we continue with chapter 8 Materials and Solutions. In the previous class we have learned about solution, solvent and solute, soluble and insoluble substances. And today we are going to learn about separation of insoluble substances. Many times we need to separate substances that are mixed together. This may be done to obtain useful substances or remove impurities. The following methods are used to remove insoluble impurities from water: sedimentation, decantation, and filtration are the methods used to remove insoluble impurities from water. First, we are going to learn about sedimentation. Sedimentation and decantation methods are used to separate a heavier insoluble substance from a liquid. So we can understand this through a simple activity. Take some soil in a glass, add water to it and stir well. The water becomes muddy and allow it to stand for a while. So after some time we can see that the heavier soil particles have settled at the bottom of the glass. The water at the top seems clearer. So this process is known as sedimentation. That is the process of settling down of the heavier insoluble substance at the bottom of a liquid is called sedimentation. The substance that settles down during this process is called sediment. Next, decantation. The process by which clear water at the top can be transferred to another container without disturbing the sediment is called sedimentation. So for that we have to do sedimentation first. Then only we will get that clear water and gently pour this clearer water into another glass without disturbing the settled soil particles. The decanted water is much clearer than the muddy water. So we can clean water using the methods of sedimentation and decantation. Next method is filtration. The filtration method is used to remove light insoluble impurities from a liquid. But sedimentation and decantation are used to separate heavier insoluble substance from a liquid. So we can understand this process through an activity. In this activity we will pass the decanted water obtained in the previous activity through a filter paper. A filter paper is a special type of paper with tiny pores. The tiny pores let only liquids pass through them. So for that what we have to take, we need a bottle and we need a filter paper for this activity. Take a circular filter paper, fold it in the shape of a cone and put it in a funnel. If we don't have a funnel, we can take a bottle and place the funnel on the mouth of a container such as a conical flask and pour the decanted water slowly onto the filter paper. And after some time we can see that the fine particles of clay and other light impurities deposited on the filter paper. On observing the water collected in the flask or in the bottle, we can find that the quality of water seems to have improved. The water looks very clean now. So this process by which light insoluble substances can be removed from a liquid by using a filter is called filtration. At home we pass tea through a strainer to remove tea leaves from it. and we also filter fruit juices to remove pulp and seeds from them. So these are the common examples of filtration in our daily life. So one more exercise. We have one exercise to do in the textbook. Page number 90. Filling the blanks. When a solid dissolves in a liquid, it forms a solution. In a sugar water solution, water is the solvent. The filtration method is used to separate seeds from lemon water. Sedimentation, decantation, and filtration methods cannot be used to remove soluble impurities from water. Salt is prepared from seawater by the method of evaporation. Do this filling the blanks in the textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.